trunk of the load. Hit strip, tryna fuck with them hoes. On the corner selling nothing but dope. Love life, we was struggling though. Sentimental when it counted a foe. You ain't never gave me nothing to hold. Freight trailer finna fucking roll. $250,000, you ain't done it before. Big Cuban link, hugging the throat. Bernie nigga been 100 for sure. A debit card, 100 or more. Made 100K in front of the stove. Count up the money and go. Another play for like 30 or something. Chain worth like a birdie or something. Cali nigga where they murder for nothing. Yeah, still on the top from the youngest.
Hi guys, it's Tuesday morning. I'm taking Trenton to school, and of course he does this every morning because he complains of the outside smell. We're in a convertible. So yeah, my car, I don't know what the fuck that is. It's like dragging. I think I hit like a bump and now this thing is fucking dragging on the bumper. Oh god. And look at my hand, it's all filthy and shit. Oh man. Alright you guys, so I just cut it with the saw. It's looking better. So now I'm not dragging that shit anymore. So yeah, I posted last week that my car is like broke down right now. Fucking irritated. The fuel pump was recalled, so no fuel is getting into it and it won't start, and have an appointment in Ontario to get it fixed. So nothing will be paid out of pocket. Hopefully that is what it is. So yeah, recall for the 535 I 2011. You guys need to get that fixed before it gets what I did. It doesn't start at all. So yeah, that is it. Good morning you guys. It is Monday and today my car is gonna go in to get serviced because the fuel pump had given out, so it's been broken down now for about a month. I do have an appointment with them and they're gonna pick up the car. We're getting it towed to Ontario, which is like maybe 40 miles away. So I'll go ahead and record during the day, and when the tow truck comes and picking it up, I'll go ahead and do a vlog on that. Alright you guys, my car is getting picked up. And there's the tow truck. So my baby's gonna be towed. Well, it started, which is crazy. I know the fuel pump is just kind of glitchy right now, so just glad that it's gonna get serviced. Bye, baby!